Imagine an artillery system that can quickly change position, deliver precise strikes at long distances, and is light enough to be transported even in the toughest conditions. This is the M777A2, a howitzer that has played an important role in the most modern military conflicts. But how did it become so effective? Why is it so important for the armies of various countries? Stay with us and we'll explain all this in detail. To understand why the M777A2 is so vital for modern armies, we need to go back to the late 1990s when the U.S. Army faced a new challenge. They needed an artillery system that could move quickly, be more mobile, and still maintain powerful firepower. This led to the development of the M777 project. Unlike the heavy and bulky systems of the past like the M109, the M777 had to be lightweight and fast. And it succeeded. The main idea was to create a howitzer using titanium, which significantly reduced its weight but didn't affect its combat capabilities. The M777A2 became much lighter than its predecessors. Weighing just 4.2 tons, it's half the weight of older artillery systems. For comparison, previous artillery systems weighed twice as much. This drastically improved its mobility and ability to move swiftly on the battlefield. One key feature of this howitzer is its mobility. On the battlefield, this means the artillery system can quickly change position, hide, and escape counterfire. For example, if the enemy starts firing at the M777A2, it can relocate in minutes and continue to strike. Thanks to its ability to be transported by trucks and even helicopters, it becomes a versatile weapon for any operation. Furthermore, the M777A2 can use a variety of shells, including precision-guided munitions like the Excalibur rounds. This is incredibly important. These shells allow it to hit targets up to 40 kilometers away. Imagine being in your infantry unit while your howitzer delivers precise strikes on the enemy, staying out of their reach. This long-range capability allows artillerymen to cover much more ground. The accuracy of the M777A2 is truly impressive. By using modern guidance systems, the howitzer can strike targets with minimal deviation. For example, the Excalibur shell can hit a target 30 to 40 kilometers away with an error of only a few meters. This is no coincidence. It's all thanks to the digital systems used for aiming and the advanced equipment for targeting. Another benefit is the speed at which the M777A2 operates. It can be quickly deployed and start firing. The crew typically consists of 6 people, and they're trained to work as efficiently as possible. They can fire up to 5 shells per minute. This means that in a short amount of time, several powerful shells can be fired, dealing serious damage to the enemy, and then the position can be changed swiftly to avoid counterfire. The M777A2 is also capable of operating in the most difficult conditions. In combat situations in mountainous terrain or forests, for example, it can still fire effectively. Even in areas where other artillery systems can't function, this howitzer remains effective due to its light weight and maneuverability. The M777A2 played an important role in conflicts such as the Iraq and Afghanistan wars. In these settings, it was actively used to destroy enemy strongpoints, artillery batteries, and even armored vehicles. The howitzer provided fire support to troops fighting enemies at great distances. With it, U.S. and Allied forces could deliver precise strikes on the enemy while minimizing risk to their own soldiers. But the M777A2 isn't just for the U.S. Army. This howitzer is also in service with countries like Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, and India. It has proven effective in various climate conditions and has shown it can be used in many different military operations. This is also because the howitzer is relatively lightweight and easy to maintain, making it suitable for a wide range of armies around the world. The advantages of the M777A2 don't end with its light weight and mobility. It's also important to note its high accuracy and ability to use modern munitions. The Excalibur shells, which can achieve pinpoint accuracy within a few meters at ranges of 30 to 40 kilometers, make this howitzer unique on the battlefield. They can destroy even the most protected targets like command posts or artillery positions. However, like any military equipment, the M777A2 has its limitations. It is somewhat vulnerable if the enemy can target it with precise fire. Despite its mobility in highly intense combat situations, it requires additional protection for the crew. Still, thanks to its combat characteristics and versatility, it remains in service with many armies worldwide. The M777A2 is not just a howitzer. It's a high-tech weapon that significantly changes how artillery support is provided on the battlefield. It combines mobility, accuracy, and firepower, making it an important asset in the arsenal of modern armies. With it, soldiers can engage in combat more effectively while minimizing risks to themselves and inflicting serious damage on the enemy. In conclusion, we can say that the M777A2 is an example of how technology and innovation can change traditional methods of warfare. This howitzer makes artillery more mobile, precise, and effective. And despite all the challenges it faces in combat conditions, it continues to be an essential tool on the battlefield. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. We value your opinion, and we're always happy to welcome new subscribers. Stay with us to learn even more interesting facts about military technology.